Hey guys, Ron Lyons here, and I am in a very unique and special house today. And what makes it so unique and special? Well, it was originally built in 1968, and I happen to like that year a lot because I was built in 1968. But everything in here, unlike with me, has been completely upgraded and redone. And I'd have to sit here for about 15 minutes to give you the entire list of everything that's been done to it. But just to give you a little idea of what some of those things are: brand new roof, brand new foundation work, new driveway, sidewalks. It's got slate on the back porch, which was extended and enclosed in a brand new board-on-board cedar fence, brand new slate covered front porch, all of the flooring, fixtures, countertops, cabinets, doors, windows, you name it. It's pretty much all been done, and it's been done really, really nice. None of this stuff is just builder grade stuff. It's absolutely amazing how much money and time and effort was put into this house. Now, it's pretty close to the downtown square, so if you would like to come take a look at it and live in something that's kind of vintage with character and charm, but that has been completely upgraded and redone, give me a phone call. It's 214-783-5440, or you can email me at ron@ronlyons.com. Either way, I'm gonna get out of the way right now and let you just kind of zip through here real quick. But if you like what you see, shoot me a text, give me an email, or call me. Let's set up a time to walk through here in person and check it out.